Well, hello yacht fans, and some of you may know me or recognise me from my other channel, which is Out and About TV. But on this channel, Out and About Yachting, I'm going to be concentrating on everything nautical rather than Out and About TV, sort of general of everything we get up to together, myself and my son. So Cloud 9 is a 74 metre marvel crafted by CRN Yachts, over 1,000 square metres of luxurious living space across 5 stunning decks. One of the standard features is the expansive 4,000 square metre beach club, complete with a gym, a spa and an outdoor pool, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. The yacht's interior design is designed by Winch Design. It is a masterpiece, as you can see from the footage. It's contemporary elegance with the spacious lounges, full beam owner's suite and a private balcony. And she also features a stunning glass elevator that seamlessly connects all levels. Performance wise, Cloud 9 is powered by twin Caterpillar engines, cruising comfortably at 15 knots and a top speed of 16.5 knots. Her range is quite remarkable, 6,000 nautical miles at 12 knots. She's built for those epic voyages across the globe. Whether you're soaking up the sun on her sun decks, all 5 of them, or enjoying a gourmet meal in her state dining room, you can be sure Cloud 9 is oozing luxury on every level. On to our next yacht. Well, cheers! Here's to our next vessel, and she's another superb super yacht by CRN Yachts, and that yacht is Atlante. Now she is a 55 metre, that's 180 foot super yacht that stands out in a bold military inspired design. Has a touch of explorer yacht about her. Her exterior design is by the renowned studio Nuvolari Leonard. Features sharp angular lines and a distinctive dark hull that gives it an almost stealthy presence on the water. Atlante is built to explore. Excuse me. Embodying the rugged charm of an explorer yacht while maintaining the elegance you'd expect from a CRN yacht. Her powerful sculpted profile is not only visually striking, but is also designed for functionality, allowing her to navigate diverse and challenging waters. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed these 2 beautiful vessels, and I'm going to bring many more to the channel of Out and About Yachting. So I'm going to leave you with the outro of the beautiful harbour at Monaco. So please stay and watch to the end, and please like and subscribe because I want to get traction to this new channel as well as our Out and About TV. But this channel is for yacht enthusiasts. And if you love boats, this is the channel for you. See you in the next video.